Okay, before you start, I just wanted to say a quick hello. I'm so happy you're here. That means more than you even realize. I'm happy because you chose that enough was enough. Enough saying I'm fine. Enough trying to think my way calm and why isn't it working. You have reached for something different. And that is the beginning of everything. Believe me, I know. It's why I created Mind-Flo. There's 8 sessions in total, a little bit less than 5 minutes. You don't have to prepare. You don't have to feel even ready. And you don't have to feel anything in particular. You just press play. Your nervous system will do the rest. Believe me. I built this after some of the hardest years of my life. I built it exactly for this moment. You know, that one where you finally let something carry you instead of you carrying everything, including yourself? Start session 1. I'll meet you in there.